Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I got the message from Triopal Sardar Munazza Rashid, and she wants to help in this game. That the game name is Add Dots, and ma'am, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही. Please write in English as Edutainment team can also help you. Right? They are the expert of this software. Ma'am is objection में dot okay, right. So I show exercise. When I click on the exercise, here add dots, choose challenge level. So first I'm going to click on the easy one. The question is the ladybird, two ladybirds. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 dots are here. So add two less. Two less करेंगे तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 में से 2 लेस के तो 1, 2, 3. 3 dots and click on the check your answer. So this is how it's great job. Next, for next question, click on the next one. Add 2 less. Again 2 less, so the remaining 2 will be the left. So students, this is how you can play this ladybird add dots game. Thank you. Here you see the submit button. When you have end up all the questions 4, 5, 6, 7 done all these 10 questions, please click on the submit button. Then your Edutainment team will generate the your assignment marks. So here I have submit 2 questions, so I got 6 by 30. Thank you. I got a message from Sayyid Hamza Ali Shah, the student of Fort Pearl. Here I see that he needs help. Ma'am, please guide me how to play exercise 9 Lego, right? So when I click on the show exercise, which exercise is this? So the exercise name is Lego, right? Here is Lego. Let's solve this question. Which two of the following structures can be built on the top of the grassy blocks? Which two of the following structures? So here I see 4 structures. I have a Lego 4 structures. And which two of the following structures can be built on the top of the grass area is this, right? This is the sand area and this one is the grass area, right? So which two? Let me check this one. I am going to pick this one, and using all of the given building blocks. Here you see the building blocks we used in this Lego. And I click on the check your answer. So this shows the incorrect, right? The incorrect, then you can check again and start over. Click on this one. This means start over and check again, right? So next time I choose this have a Lego, and this will have again this for same Lego, right? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. The two places are not. It's क्या कहते हैं? Same. So I check. You should have to try the questions again and again. One thing you should have to follow, and start over here again the game. And when I click and I choose this one, because of some reasons I see the 2 rackets and the Legos are same. So let's check the answer again. So it's correct, right? So this is how you can, and then click on the submit button must. When you have to click on the submit, you got the full marks, or your Edutainment team give you the result, right? Thank you. Here's a question by Aliul Murtaza of 3 Opal. Show exercise. I click on the show exercise when then Ali has a problem in this question of this game. This is memory game, right? So first memory game, you have to remember this. Flip the cards, check the cards one by one, and remember that cards. This card have a 4 dots, right? Remember this. This is number 3. Check the other cards. 5. Just remember that this card have a 4 dots, this card have a 5 dots, and this card is 3, number 3, like 2. So remember these 5, 2, and remember this. Here is 4 dots, and here is number 3. So 5, you see, match the 2 cards. 1. Remember this card have a 1. This is a memory game, right? So 4. Remember this 4 number, you did remember this is 4 and this is 4 again, and match. You can solve this question like this. Thank you. Okay, multiplication tables is the lesson. This lesson is open for class 5th Pearl, right? When I see the games, most of the games are like so easy. It's skip counting, multiplication, memory game, and multiplication. So I'm going to make the video of the memory game because some students needs instructions, right? So the next the all are multiplication, Lego game, and insects, and continue the pattern. Maybe these are some difficult because it's a programming, right? So must make the video of the programming games for the students. This is programming, continue the pattern. The same pattern we will have to continue. 3 pink, 1 yellow. 3 blue, 1 yellow. 3 pink, 1 yellow. 3 blue. So blue, blue. The mid one is yellow. Again, the pattern would be same, right? And click on the yellow. This is how you all have to complete the pattern. So see, the next pattern is 3 blocks are pink shade, in the cross this is blue, and remember here are again the 3 squares which has green shade, and the pattern is again the same: 3 pink, 3 blue, and 3 green. So I will pick the pink one first. 3 shades is for pink. Then I will choose the blue color to cover up this one, straight line, and now I select in the green one to complete the square. Again pink, 3 shades of pink, green, my green shades are here, and pink, blue one, complete the pattern, right? So this is how you all should have to complete the pattern, and at the end must click on the submit button, this submit exercise. When you click on the exercise, it gives you exact answer. As you all know that I have left the third one, that's why I got the 19 marks. You all should have to complete the full question and then submit. Thank you. In class grade 5th, right? So here the first question, the bee does the following. So I see the dragonfly, this another fly, and this is the bee, right? So now these instruction will be followed by the bee only. So the first question is move 3 tiles. The bee को carry move 3 tiles, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 tiles. And turn left. Turn left. So left would be there. So turn करना है. अभी move 3 tiles and just turn, right? Next is move 2 tiles and turn right. Move 2 tiles. Here I move 2 tiles and turn right. Just turn there. Move 2 tiles, the third 1, 2. So 2 tiles here and turn right. So turn here downward. Move 3 tiles then. 1, 2, 3. So I click on here and check your answer. It's totally correct.